In today's video, I'm going to teach you to transfer money from Wise to Revolut. By the end, you'll know exactly which buttons to tap, what details to copy, and how to avoid common mistakes so your money arrives smoothly and without surprise fees. We'll start in the Revolut app. On the home screen, tap Details to view your bank information for the specific currency you plan to receive. This screen shows key account details like your IBAN and sometimes other identifiers depending on your region. Make sure you're looking at the correct currency account in Revolut because IBANs and account details can differ by currency. Once you're on the right one, copy the IBAN and any other details shown. Keep this information secure and make sure you're copying it exactly as displayed to avoid failed transfers. Now switch over to the Wise app, tap Send, then choose Add a Recipient. When Wise asks what currency you want to send, pick the same currency as your Revolut account that you just viewed. Matching currencies helps you avoid unnecessary conversion and keeps fees transparent. Next, select Enter Bank Details. Wise may ask whether this is your own account or someone else's. If you're sending to your personal Revolut account, choose that option so everything is labeled clearly in your recipient list. Tap the IBAN field, paste the IBAN you copied from Revolut, and carefully review the information on screen. Wise often validates IBAN formats, but it's still important to double-check that the name you enter matches the account holder's name on Revolut to prevent delays. Once the recipient is added successfully, enter the amount you want to send. Wise will usually show you an estimated delivery time and a fee breakdown. Take a moment to review the transfer details, including the currency, recipient name, and IBAN. Also look at the payment method options, card, bank transfer, or other methods, since these can affect both the cost and the speed. When everything looks correct, tap Continue and confirm the payment. Wise will process the transfer and keep you updated on its progress. You can monitor the status in Wise, and when the funds arrive, they'll appear in your chosen currency balance in Revolut. That's all it takes. By copying the correct Revolut IBAN, matching the currency in Wise, and reviewing the fees and details before confirming, you ensure a fast, clean transfer with minimal surprises. If you plan to do this regularly, keeping the Revolut recipient saved in Wise will make future transfers even quicker. Thanks for watching and happy transferring.